mula kay Kyrie V. Monteclar, mag-aaral mula sa ikatlong baitang at nagkamit ng may mataas na karangalan. Bigyan po natin siya ng isang masigabong palakpakan.
Today is a very special day for all of us as we now reap the fruits of our labor. As we celebrate our Recognition Day, it is about time to acknowledge the people who have been instrumental in our journey. First and foremost, thank you to our loving parents, our guardians, and family for their unwavering support and encouragement. They have been our guiding stars all throughout the year. To our tireless educators, ma'am and sir, thank you for planting seeds of knowledge and kindness. You have made a lasting impact on our little souls. To the unsung heroes of the school, the support